One great personality absconded from 3 companies successfully, and he did the 2 dual employment, and he got terminated from 3 companies successfully. Initially, he joined in an organization and he is not satisfied with job, and then he absconded. And the next organization he worked perfectly. In the third organization he joined again, and in that organization he is not satisfied with skill, so that he absconded simply from that organization without relieving any proper documents. And he did the dual employment during the COVID time perfectly in 2 jobs. He did the 2 dual employment, which means multiple employment. Finally, now he got terminated from 3 companies. He hid all the information in last 6 months. He joined in big MNCs. In the first company he got terminated. Again he joined in second big MNCs companies. He hid all the absconding record, dual employment record, and recently terminated record. In current organizations also he got terminated. In future organization also he will be terminated soon, 100%. He approached me. Finally I given the very worst case solution, and now he got opportunity from big organization. Okay. So creating multiple complex problem will not help you to search job actually. Always be clear on your documents, and if you face any critical issues, especially in dual employment, if you don't have any choice, you can approach to me. I will give you the alternative and worst case suggestion. Okay. If you don't have any choice, you can approach to me. Okay. Welcome to connect with me. My email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. Once done your payment, you can talk to me directly. You can ask all your clarifications and I'll give you the alternative suggestion to you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.